Okay, so question 6. In triangle, so that's what that stands for. That stands for in triangle ABC, ABC. Find the length of AB. So this is the length AB, also known as C. Okay. Oh, and I even said it there. Wasn't that nice of me? And we want to find it to the nearest tenth. Now let's think for a minute. Nearest tenth means the same thing as 1 decimal. Okay? If they were asking for the nearest hundredth, that would be 2 decimals. So we're going to need to know that. Okay, so in triangle ABC, find the length of AB. So I want that length. This is the angle that they're giving me. That side is going to be the adjacent to that angle. This side is going to be the opposite to that angle. And this is hypotenuse, but nobody really cares. And if I can get my answers without having to come up with that, that would be great. So the question is, what trig ratio uses adjacent and opposite? Well, that's tan. Tan of any angle equals opposite over adjacent. So tangent of 70 degrees equals 15 over AB. Okay, so now this is just a number. We're going to cross multiply, and it'll be AB tan of 70 equals 15. Divide both sides by tan of 70. AB equals 15 over tan of 70. Using my calculator, 15 divided by 70 tan equals, so AB is going to be equal to approximately 5.5. Do I have any units? I do not, but the nearest tenth, that was a 5, so we round up, and that's our answer. Okay, number 7, last two. Find the indicated angle. Okay, so a paradigm shift here. We've been finding sides up to now. Now we want angle. So, this is the angle they want us to find. This would be the side opposite that angle. This is the hypotenuse of that angle. This is adjacent, but nobody cares. So which trig ratio uses opposite and hypotenuse? The answer is sine. Sine uses opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of the unknown theta will be 8 over 17. Now we're taking a side ratio back to an angle. So that requires us to use the inverse, sine inverse. Now you could write out the decimal, or you can write out the fraction. The fraction's easier than the decimal, I think. There's your decimal, and you don't want to round that at all. You want to use all of it to be accurate. Second function, sine inverse. So angle theta equals approximately 28 degrees to the nearest degree. All right, here we have another example. So this is our angle theta. This is going to be opposite to angle theta. This is going to be adjacent to angle theta. Which trig ratio uses opposite and adjacent? The answer is tangent uses opposite over adjacent. Do you notice how I keep writing this out all the time? There's a good reason for that. It puts it in my memory. I'm never going to forget it if I keep writing it. So tan theta is equal to 2 over 5. So angle theta equals tan inverse 2 divided by 5. Using your trusty calculator, 2 divided by 5 equals second function tan, and our answer is approximately 22 degrees. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I don't think any of this is new. This should be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Make sure that you've watched all your videos. I think that would have taken a lot of time. So I'll give you some homework, and I will come back on Monday with some more work after this. So this is it for the weekend. And sorry I missed you yesterday. Got hung up with a bunch of conference calls. But here you go with this. And do some good work. Make sure that it's done for Monday, and we'll go from there.